Hi everyone, welcome back to the series that takes you through the features of BitBlast. Today's video will show you how to create manual backups for your data, as backups are crucial for protecting your valuable information from accidental loss or hardware failure. Let's dive in. First, we need to access the backup functionality. Here we will click on the backup or restore tab. Now again click on the backup or schedule tab. Once in the backup section, we have two options, backup and schedule. Today we will focus on creating a one-time backup. So let's click on the backup option. Now we need to configure the backup settings. Here you can choose the storage provider NFS or S3. Next we will select the database. Provide a backup name. Provide retention period. Once everything is configured, simply click the Create Backup button. You will see a progress bar that indicates how long the backup progress will take. The speed may vary depending on the size of your database. After successful backup, you will see a confirmation message, and after that you will be automatically redirected to the backups list page. This page shows all your existing backups. Now you have successfully created backup of your data. Remember, it's a good practice to schedule regular backups to ensure you have a recent copy of your information in case of emergencies. For scheduling backups, refer to the next video. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative BitBlast videos.